I'm Van Goss, and today it's all about yoga fitness combos. What is that? Simply putting two workouts together. First up, we're going to do split lunges or jumping lunges, alternating, and we're going to combine it with skaters. And we're going to do 8 on each side twice. Okay, total 16. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now get ready for the skaters. You're gonna go back. Now you don't have to touch the floor if you don't want to, but if you want to challenge yourself, get down and touch the floor. Ready? Let's go for 16. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Boom! That's what I mean about the combo. Just putting it all together. Second combo number 2. It is circle planks with skydivers. Come into plank pose and make sure your wrists are underneath your shoulders and your body straight like a ruler. And let's go into a circle, 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now 8 in the other direction. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And hold it. Come down slowly and let's skydive. Here we go. Now bring your hands out in front of you. Head down. And good. Take a deep breath in right here. Now breathe in. And breathe it up. Breathe out. In. Out. Skydive. Breathe out. Breathe in when you come down. And breathe out. Hold it. And down. And up. Great for your back, arms, legs. Hold this position. Breathe. Just a few more seconds. And bring it back down. 2 more. Last one. And hold it. And bring it down. Excellent job. Use your awesome hands. Press all the way up. And let's get ready for combo number 3. Bird dog and flutter kicks. Here we go. Come on down on all 4s. And curl your toes under. And bring your right arm out or your left. And you're going to bring the opposite leg. So it's going to be opposite the knee, elbow to knee. Okay? In your bird dog. Now make sure your wrists and your wrists are in line with your shoulders, okay? You don't want to be too far over, don't want to be too far back. You want your body to be in line. All right, now, here we go. You're going to bring elbow into knee. Pull, and 2, 3, 4. You got it. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Switch it. And bring it out. Opposite arm, opposite leg, and bring it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get your balance. 6, 7, and 8. Boom. Are you ready? Let's come on down for flutter kicks. Now remember, if you want to do more, just rewind and do it over and over and over. Flutter kicks. Now put your hands underneath your bottom, right underneath, protect the lower back. Okay, and bring the legs out and kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Boom! And roll it all up. Combo number 4, jumping jacks and the tree pose. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And here we go with our tree pose. And find something to focus on in front of you. And this is the challenging one, bringing it all the way up to the inner thigh. Good. Bring the arms up. And let's pull those branches up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And bring it down gently. Other side, find your focus. Bring it all the way up strong. Yes, I'm strong, I'm bold. This pose I can hold. Bring your arms up and pull it down for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yes, 7, last one, 8, give me a bonus, and bring it down. Excellent job. Combo number 5, 5, 5. Are you ready? Squat with lateral raises. Ready? Here we go. Squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do anything you want with your arms, hands. And other side. Squat. Yes. Last 4, best 4. Excellent. Last one. Brilliant. Number 6. It is the V-sit with the turtle pose. Let's come on down to the floor and bring your legs out into a V right in here. And let's bring our hands up and let's stretch all the way out. Walking our fingertips out. Let me get back a little bit. Walking the fingertips all the way out. Excellent. Now bring it over to the side and hold on to that big toe or your foot. And flex your foot, bring it towards you. Getting a nice stretch in the back of your legs. And slowly walk it over to the other side. Beautiful. Breathe. Enjoy the breath right here. And slowly bring the knees, bend it a little bit. Bend the knees just a little bit right here. And bring your hands underneath, just like this. And let's be a turtle. And bring it down, just like a turtle tucks his head into the shell. You're bringing your head down. And bring it up. And down. And breathe up. And breathe in. Breathe out. Bring the head back up and down. And hold it. Bring the head into the shell and breathe. Excellent job.